Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install NordVPN on your Windows 11 PC. If this video helps you out, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First, open any web browser on your PC. I'll be using Google Chrome. Type NordVPN into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the first official link that appears in the search results. Once the website opens, hover your cursor over to the Download VPN menu at the top and you will see multiple platform options. Select the platform you want to download it for. Since we are on Windows 11, I'll choose Windows. An installer file will immediately start downloading. Once the download is finished, double-click on the installer file and click Yes to grant permission. If it prompts you to install any necessary updates or dependencies, click Yes to let it update. After that, an installation window will appear. Simply click the Accept button and then click Install. Wait patiently for a few moments and NordVPN will successfully installed on your Windows 11 PC. Once the setup completes, you can log into your account and start using NordVPN right away. And that is the complete tutorial on how to install and use NordVPN on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.